Number 7. The Internet Cable Walk. All right, explorers. Let's dive into our first wild find. Head to the coast near Barcelona, Spain, and get this. A user on Google Maps uploaded images recreating what it's like to walk along a 7-kilometer internet cable under the sea. Yep. Someone out there decided to map this underwater tech highway, and it's one of the coolest experiments I've ever seen. Pan through these user-uploaded shots, and you're virtually strolling along this massive cable. Think thick, snaky, high-tech vibes, stretching across the ocean floor. It's like a sci-fi adventure, but it's real. Connecting continents with data at lightning speed. No street view dives this deep, but the images give you a front-row seat to this hidden world off Barcelona's shores. Is this user an ocean nerd, an art genius, or just super curious? I'm picturing them in a diving suit, camera in hand, going, "Let's show the world the internet's roots." It's 7 kilometers of pure geeky glory. Makes you wonder what else is down there. What do you think? Epic experiment or next-level obsession? Number 6. The Sea of White Cars. Next up, explorers. Zoom to a bustling port terminal in South Korea and prepare to be floored. Google Maps and Street View drop us into a jaw-dropping sea of cars. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them, stretching as far as the eye can see, all waiting to be loaded onto massive ships. It's like a parking lot on steroids, with vehicles packed tight, ready to sail across the globe. Zoom in, and most of these cars look gleaming white, almost too perfect. A Redditor's got a theory. They're likely wrapped in white protective film to shield them during transit. No wonder they shine. Street View gives us a loom, like a virtual stroll through this automotive ocean, with cranes and ships in the background. Is this just a mega export hub flexing, or a surreal car convention? I'm picturing a ship captain going, "Okay, cram in 500 more." It's industrial chaos in the coolest way. I'm obsessed with this white car wonderland. Number 5. The border-splitting houses. All right, explorers. Let's zip over to the USA for a hilarious one. Head to the border of Nassau County and New York City, and check this out on Google Maps. The boundary line is so clear. It's like someone took a giant marker and sliced right through the road markings. Stop signs, lane lines, bam, cut in half. But wait, it gets wilder. Follow the path, and this border literally runs through houses. Yup. Picture a home where half's chilling in Nassau County and the other half's in NYC. Talk about a split address. Google Street View lets you creep along, seeing this line carve up neighborhoods like it's no big deal. Imagine living there. "Honey, I'm in Queens. Oh wait, now I'm in Nassau." Is this just a quirky zoning fluke, or the ultimate bragging rights for neighbors? I'm picturing mailmen arguing over who delivers to these split houses. It's so funny. How do you think these folks handle it? Drop your take in the comments. I'm cracking up over this border madness. Number 4. The help signals. Hold on to your hats, explorers. This one's straight up creepy. Zoom to a random spot in Los Angeles, and Google Maps reveals something eerie. Help signals sprawled across the ground, made with pipes and wood, at what looks like an abandoned factory near shipping containers. This went mega viral in recent months. Posts on X blew up, with people speculating it's a cry from human trafficking victims, a mafia hideout, or even a kidnapping cover-up. The LAPD investigated, boots on the ground. And here's the kicker. They found no evidence of trafficking or crime. Just a spooky setup with no clear answers. Google Maps satellite view shows the help clear as day, and photos from January 2025 confirm it's still there. Is this a bad joke by some prankster artist? A movie prop gone wild? Or something darker we're not seeing? I'm getting chills imagining someone arranging this in the dead of night. What's your theory? Prank, plea, or pure mystery? Drop it in the comments, 'cause this one's haunting me. Number 3, the flamethrower bug fogger. Alright, explorers. Buckle up for a wild one. Zoom to Bontang, Indonesia, and feast your eyes on this Google Maps gem. We've got a guy standing in what looks like an industrial or residential spot, wielding what appears to be a flamethrower, straight out of a post-apocalyptic movie. Call him the Pyro. But hold up. It's probably just a bug fogger, spraying clouds of insect-killing mist. Still the vibe. Pure album cover material. The image is so cinematic, with this dude shrouded in fog, looking like he's battling a mosquito apocalypse. Bontang's a coastal city in East Kalimantan, known for industry, so maybe he's fighting off jungle bugs in style. Is this just a routine pest control gig gone viral? Or is our guy secretly a rock star posing for his next album? I'm picturing him turning to the camera like, "Bugs beware." What do you think? Number 2. The Sea Lights Oyster Farm. All right, explorers, buckle up. This one's a rare peek into the mysterious. Zoom to the coast of North Korea, where Google Maps catches something wild. Glowing lights in the sea, twinkling like stars in the dark waters. At first, it's like alien base, secret tech. But dig deeper, and it's likely an oyster farm. Yep, North Korea's farming shellfish out there. This is huge, because anything from North Korea is shrouded in secrecy, and Google Maps rarely gives us clear shots. Those lights? Probably buoys or equipment for oyster longlines, floating in the Yellow Sea or Sea of Japan, growing mollusks for export or local markets. North Korea's oyster farms are low-key, but they're part of their push to boost food production, per some reports. No street view here, obviously. But the satellite view's hauntingly cool. Imagine workers out there, under the radar, harvesting oysters in one of the world's most closed-off countries. Is this just a quiet farm, or a cover for something shadier? I'm picturing a lone boat bobbing in the dark, lights flickering. What's your theory? Oyster biz or secret ops? Drop it in the comments. Number 1, the Lost Water Tank Base. Last stop, explorers. Let's jet to Oahu, Hawaii for a mysterious finale. Zoom into Google Maps, and you'll spot what looks like a lonely water tank in the middle of nowhere. But here's the kicker. There are no clear roads leading to it. It's like a set straight out of the TV show, Lost. All isolated, jungly, and spooky. Some Redditors think it's not a tank but the base for an old tower, maybe radio or relay, with 4 square anchor points where the structure once stood. Oahu used to be covered in these towers, but as tech improved, they chopped them down, leaving concrete bases behind. Too tough to haul out. The satellite view shows this slab surrounded by green, with those 4 squares screaming, "Something was here?" No street view gets close, so it's pure mystery vibes. Is this just a forgotten relic, a secret hideout, or a real-life Dharma Initiative prop? I'm picturing a lost hiker stumbling on it like, did I just find Area 51's beach cousin? What do you think? Old tech graveyard or island enigma? Whoa, explorers. What a wild ride. From an underwater internet cable in Barcelona to a Lost-style mystery tank in Hawaii, these 7 Google Maps finds are next-level bizarre. We've seen cars galore, split houses, creepy help signs, a flamethrower dude, North Korean sea lights. Talk about a global adventure. Which one's got you hooked? Drop your favorite in the comments and tell me. What weird maps spot have you found? Smash that like button if you loved this. Subscribe for more quirky hunts, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next strange journey. Thanks for exploring with me. See you in the next weird corner of the world.